Hi, I'm Steve Mellowloop, and I'm here to talk about this week at LeTip of Dallas. We have some exciting programs and some great information to share. When you arrive at our meeting, you're going to be met at the door by myself or another member who's going to help introduce you to the other members already at the location. Now, we also have a showboater this week. Our showboater is going to be Harry Nahate, and he is a RE/MAX realtor. He's our residential realtor, and he's going to be showing us how he sells homes and how he can help you find the dream home for you and your family. He works all over the Dallas Metroplex, and in fact, he works all over the state of Texas. So if you're looking for a home, Harry's someone you might want to talk to. Before I introduce our speaker this week, I have a question for you. Have you been living on someday I'll? You know, someday I'll clean the garage, someday I'll repaint the fence. Well, if you've been living on someday I'll, it may be time to take a good look at your financial future. Have you been regularly contributing to a 401k or an IRA program? Have you talked to an advisor to set up a plan so you contribute regularly so when the time comes you can travel, you can retire, you can send grandkids to college, whatever you want to do with that money. But the first thing is you need a plan. That's what David Smith can help you with. Set up a plan, help you make regular contributions so your money grow safely and wisely because you want to have that money to travel when you retire. So talk to David Smith, Upstream Investment Partners. He's there to help you be successful with your financial planning. Thanks. See you at the meeting.